Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Discord. The most effective way to begin your search is by visiting official Roblox resources, such as the official Roblox Developer Forum. This forum often features announcements and links to official, verified community Discord servers. Furthermore, many popular games within Roblox, attracting millions of players, have their own dedicated servers, providing a direct connection to that specific game's community. Beyond official channels, you can discover fantastic communities through popular Roblox content creators. Many creators with hundreds of thousands, or even millions, of subscribers host active Discord servers where their fans can connect. Reliable community websites and fan wikis also serve as valuable directories for finding reputable servers. Always be mindful to check the legitimacy of any invitation link before joining, ensuring it comes from a verified source and does not appear suspicious. Before fully engaging with a new server, it is crucial to verify its legitimacy and safety. Look for a well-maintained community with a large number of active members and consistent, fair moderation. A legitimate server always has clearly defined rules, enforced by its team of moderators. Exercise extreme caution with any server offering improbable rewards, like free Robux or exclusive in-game items, as these are frequently scams designed to compromise your account or personal information. Maintaining your safety while participating in any online community is paramount. Never share personal identifying information, such as your full name, home address, or phone number, with anyone on Discord, even if they claim to be a friend. Should you encounter suspicious messages, inappropriate content, or users violating rules, report them immediately to the server's moderators. Always abide by Discord's comprehensive community guidelines and terms of service. This ensures a positive and secure experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.